Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Adobe Premiere Error Code 39. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to export a video using Adobe Premiere. According to our research, this error may occur due to storage issues, GPU driver problems, or rendering settings inside Premiere. Some users also reported that the issue started after a recent update. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your computer and then try exporting the video again. And check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check your disk space. If the disk is full, move some large files to another drive to free up space. Then try exporting again. If the error still persists, then try updating your NVIDIA drivers. Once updated, open Adobe Premiere and check if this resolves the error. If you still get the error, then go to Sequence Settings and set Render Files as ProRes 422. Then render the sequence using Render In to Out. Once the top of your timeline turns green, export the file as ProRes 422 MOV and check the Use Previews box. Finally, use Media Encoder to transcode it to MP4 and see if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try exporting to a different drive, such as your SSD. Many users found that switching the export location from desktop to another drive helped. So give this a try and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then try switching from hardware render to software render. Simply go to the settings and change the rendering option to software, and check for the error again. If you still get the error, then try rolling back Adobe Premiere to version 23.2. Once downgraded, try exporting the video, and check if this resolves the error. At last, if nothing helps, then under the Video section in Settings, go to the Performance tab and try disabling hardware encoding. Then check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.